English for Kids.
Popular sports. How often do you play sports? Soccer, basketball, baseball, tennis, volleyball, football, golf, badminton, bowling, billiards, soccer. I play soccer with my friends. Basketball. She shoots the basketball into the hoop. Baseball. He hits the baseball with a bat. Tennis. They play tennis on the court. Volleyball. We play volleyball at the beach. Football. They throw the football on the field. Golf. They hit the ball into the hole in golf. Badminton. We hit the shuttlecock over the net in badminton. Bowling. We roll the ball to knock down pins in bowling. Billiards. They hit balls with a cue stick in billiards. Review. Are you ready? Soccer, basketball, baseball, tennis, volleyball, football, golf, badminton, bowling, billiards,